Hi, let's start. Now we'll discuss PowerShell ISE. ISE is nothing but integrated scripting environment. I'll just show you. Click on the start. Type ISE. We'll get Windows PowerShell ISE here, right? Right click, run as administrator. Okay. One more option we have. Just go to plus Windows R and type PowerShell space ISE. So the same window will open, but here the difference is it is not with the administrator privilege, right? It is not with the admin. So we'll always go with this option. Go to start, type ISC, right click, run as administrator. ISC, right? This is integrated scripting environment. Okay. This is providing editor plus console. So this white part is the right. This is the editor and the bottom part is the console. So it is more flexible when we compare to the normal console when we are writing the script and analyzing the error. It is more flexible than the normal console. Okay. So we'll just use one commandlet get-process. Here you can see the green, right? We'll see the options one by one. Here, if you can see green, run script, press here, press this button. So this will run, this commandlet or script will run. Or as there mentioned, F5, right? Mentioned the just we can press F5 in the keyboard, it will run. We'll run this and see. See, you can see the console below. The result is displayed here. Okay. So we'll use one more commandlet get-hotfix. So we'll run this together. See, both executed, right? See, both executed. So if we want to run, so okay, it's a not a hotfix, it's a host, right? That is the reason. So my bad. It is displayed here, right? In the down. It's a host details. Host details here, not the hotfix. Okay. So we want to run only get-host. We can run this button, run selection. Whatever we selected, we can just select like this, or just you can click end of the commandlet and click on this run selection, or you can press F8 key in the keyboard. See, only this part is displayed. So if we want to clear the screen, I mean the console, whatever the output displayed here, right? If we want to clear that, just click on this button, clear console pane. Okay, just click on this. It is cleared. So we'll run this once again, both. So one more option we have, clear hyphen host. This is a commandlet to clear the console, because this button we can use we cannot use this in the script, right? To for that we can use clear hyphen host. This we can use in the script. So if we run this alone, see it is cleared, right? So whenever whenever we are running the script, first we'll execute clear hyphen host. We'll only run this, then we'll run these three at a time. Okay. Use this button, run script. That this first one, what will do that, clear the existing one, and will display the result of these commandlets. Okay. So if you want to create one more new script pane, just click here. Here you can see, right? Here, new. You can click multiple. You can write multiple script and compare. You can make use of it. And one more option you have, just click a new or control N. You can try this, click new. Okay, and I'm just pressing control N keyboard. So you can use this option to create a new script in the same console. And again, if you want to create an existing script, just open this and select your existing script. Okay, you can use that. Just open. See, this is the one which already there, that is opened here. We'll close this for now. And we want to save this. Okay. If it is not saved, it will show the star mark here. You can see here, right? Star. We'll save that. We'll go to file, or here we have an option to save script. We'll go to file, or just press Ctrl S in your keyboard. Click on save. We'll go to temp, ISC, test. We'll save. Now the star mark gone, right? If you modify that, so get a hyphen service. So again, it will be a star. Once we've saved, we'll just press Ctrl S and save. This is gone, right? So this is how it works. So what else we'll see now? This option you can see, right? New remote PowerShell, new remote PowerShell tab. Click on this. This help us to connect a remote computer from this console. Okay, computer name and username. Using this option, you can connect a remote computer. This one, just a normal console will open. Okay, we'll close this for now. This is show script pane on the top. This is a script pane, right? Or editor on the top. Console is below. This is a default one, which we already using. So if we press this, script pane in the right. So if you want to see the script pane in full screen, click this. Okay. So then we'll use the default one. So we have few shortcuts as well. We'll discuss that later. So we have this option, show command window. Okay. So we'll clear this for now. Press this. It is showing all the commandlets, right, in alphabetic order. This is just a graphical view. We don't use this much. We can make use of get hyphen command or get hyphen help option. Okay. In the console itself, we have all the options. If we want to use of this graphical options, we can use this. And if you want the same thing in the right pane here, we can use here this one. Okay. So if you just type the process, you can filter with the name. We have get hyphen process, start process. We can click this get hyphen process and copy this and run in the console. The same get hyphen process will run. Okay, if we are very new in this, we are not aware of any commandlets, how to run, we can use these options. Now we are good running the commandlet and finding the help options. We are good with the basic, right? So we don't use this much. So if we want to run this, select and run here, or copy and run from console. We'll run this now. See. Okay. So if we are whenever we are clicking this show command window, there is one commandlet is executing from here. See, you can see here in the console, right? So we'll just type here show command. The same thing will work here, right? It will open a new window. Same thing, whatever trying here, whatever we are opening from here, show command window. Okay. Now we'll use this hash. Hash is whenever we are writing the script, we are just want to comment, right? Why we have to use that script? Using the hash, we can comment. Okay, first we'll write one commandlet, get hyphen process. Why we use this? We'll command here. The command is to get the process. Same way, get hyphen service. We can use to get the service. Okay. Then we'll use few more commandlet, get hyphen host, get hyphen hotfix. So from here to here, we just want to make, we don't want to execute from here to here. Okay. We just want to give only command. We need only these two when we run this run script button. Okay. So what we give, use this open bracket, use the hash, don't run this part. We are just providing the command up to here. Again, use hash and close the bracket. See, when we run the script now, it will execute only get hyphen host and get hyphen hotfix. This part, all this part will go command part. Okay. So we'll save this. Okay. Fine. So we seen the command, right, using the hash. So we'll clear all this. We'll type clear hyphen host. Okay. Clear hyphen host will clear the console, or we can use this clear console pane, right? Click on this, clear, it's cleared. Clear option also same thing, which we already discussed. So we'll use one more commandlet, write hyphen host. Okay. Why we use this? This is we are using for customizing the output. We'll see one example. Powershell, write hyphen host and put the double quote, then PowerShell. We'll run this. Okay. So down it is displayed here, right? PowerShell. So whatever output we are giving, customized output, it is displaying here. So we'll see few more options that I write host, PowerShell. Then for this one, we have parameters called colors. Okay. To use the color for the output, we'll use foreground. We'll just give green. We can choose any color. We'll run this alone. See, for run this alone, we'll press the second one, run selection, or F8 in the keyboard. Here it is displayed right in green color. PowerShell. If we want to give the background color, just give background color. hyphen background color, then just you can give any color as per your requirement. It's not visible, right? We'll change it. We'll give the red. See. So we'll see one more option. We'll use the variable, okay. Just name equal to, we'll give one random name, ABC, age, we'll just give 5. So right host, we'll give name, dollar name. So the ABC store into this dollar, right? So when we call this dollar name, it will be, it will display ABC. When we call this age, this variable, it will display the age, whatever we are entering here. Okay. This one we can keep change. So whatever we are changing, it will store in this variable. So we can provide only variable here. Whatever changing here, it will be displayed here. And age is dollar age. Okay. We'll give some color. So for foreground, we can just give only F. Okay. No need to give entire foreground color. For background, we can just give B. So we'll give green. Run this. Okay. So the dollar value is not displayed here, right? It is displayed only name and the age, whatever we enter. The dollar value is not displayed. So we expectation is here it should be ABC, here it should be 5. Why it is not displayed here? Because we have not loaded this variable in the memory, right? So first we can run these two alone, or we can run these three at a time. Run the selection, select all these three and run this. See, now name is ABC and the age is 5, right? It is displayed here. And with this, we'll see one more used case. So here now it is displayed name, right? So we want to display dollar name as it is. We need to display. We'll see that option. Right hyphen cost. So for that, we need to print the dollar name, right? We need to print that as it is. For that, we'll use single quote dollar name. We'll close this with the single quote. Then actual value, actual dollar value. That is name and age. We'll give again. This is in dollar quote. Sorry, in the single quote dollar age is actual variable name, that is age. Okay, that's it. We'll run this. Okay, we'll give some color, foreground color, yellow. Run this. So what is the difference? This is displayed here as it is. This dollar name is ABC and dollar age is 5. You got the difference, right? Okay. Now let's see special characters. Okay. We'll just use the help option, get hyphen help about underscores. We'll just give special, then show window. We'll run this. See these special characters we can use in the right host. See, these are the special characters. We'll discuss all the important special characters. Okay. You can see this symbol, right? First symbol. Okay. So that we call backtick. Okay. We'll discuss that. We'll close this for now. First, we'll discuss backtick n, the special character backtick n. Where we can find this backtick? Let me open the on-screen keyboard so that I can show you where it is available in the keyboard. See, just before one, there is a symbol, right? Sorry, there is one key, right? Just before one. In that, there are two symbols. The top one is, right? The top one is tiled. We call tiled. The below one is backtick. Okay. So if we press shift and this key, we'll get it tiled. So we need backtick, right? Just press that key, we'll get a backtick without shift. Close this, we'll see that. I just press that key. Now backtick. We press shift and that key, tiled. Okay. Now backtick again. So why this use? To break the existing line and create a new line. We'll see the example. Break the existing and create a new line. We'll run the clear host alone. Okay. So write hyphen host PowerShell made simple. Okay. We'll just we'll give some color, foreground color, green. Okay. We'll run this. Now what we'll do, we'll make a new line. Whenever you want to make a new line, from this made, right, we want to make a new line. We want to break, given, backtick n. From again, from simple, we want to make new line, give backtick n. Run this. See, if we want to give uh, two extra lines here, if you want to make one extra line, just one backtick n, two extra line, two backtick n. See, it's a created space here, right? Again, if you want to create a space here, then just give one more n, backtick n. Here also, it will create a two lines. See, like this. You can see the display here, right? Okay. So one more option what we have, this special character, backtick T, T for tab. This is new line. Okay. We'll see this. Right hyphen host, name, give this T, So first, just give the right hyphen host and the output. Then we'll use the tab name place. We'll run this. We just got name place here, right? We'll use the color. Okay. Mm. So just before place, we'll give T, and before name also we'll give T. We'll see the result. See, so this is a first tab space, this is a second tab space. So here you want to give one more tab. Just see the result. See, two tabs created, right? So now we'll see how we'll provide the underline of this. To give the underline, we'll try here itself. For that, we'll break this line. Okay, we'll create a new line. Then just give underscore. We'll see the output. See underline created here, right? So we want to make a line on the top as well. You see that? So what we'll do, just before this, we'll just remove this tab. If we want, we can provide add the tab here, but we'll remove this for now. And we'll give the underline, then break the line. So what it does, first print this line, then break the line, print this, break the line, it will print the underline. We'll run this. So you can see here, right? Okay. So we'll see one more option. Just write right hyphen host. We just provide one. We just need to provide the option here. Okay. I mean, the name we need to enter and the place also we need to enter. So we'll just give enter name. Then we'll take new line, then to tab, then give two, enter the place. We'll close this. We'll give the color. Let's run this both together. First, we'll clear the screen. We'll run this together and see the output. Okay. So in this way, you can provide. So we'll remove the tab here, right? It has taken two tab. That's what it is came here. We'll remove this tab. We'll run this. We have given one space also here, right? We'll remove that space as well. Okay. Now we'll run this together. Keyword, right? Just to show this, I just randomly pick some properties and values. You can change this according to your need. Okay, just try in your system. practice more, get more comfort with this. So this write hyphen host, we cannot store this output. Okay, if you use the redirection, I'll just show you that. We want to store this like this. Okay, we want to store this to C temp. Just will give some random name text. We'll close this. We'll try to store in C temp. Run this. Okay, it is displayed here. We'll see whether it is stored anything. Maybe file will be created, but I don't think so anything created. C temp. See, it's a blank, right? Nothing is created. We want to store something. We can use write hyphen output. Okay, we'll just take hi. For what is a disadvantage for this, we cannot use the color. There is no foreground color and background color. Okay, but we can store the value as an output format, text format. See, temp will use the same file, text. Now we'll run. Okay, now it is not displayed here. We'll see temp. We'll go to this file. See, it is stored here, right? So that's a difference. Write hyphen output and write hyphen host. So now we'll discuss read hyphen host. This is also a very useful option. Okay, if we want to take some input from the user, just enter the we are giving some script. When we user run the script, it will ask for some input. Enter your name, enter your location, enter your age. So we can use this read hyphen host. So it is what it does. It reads a line of input from the console. Okay, we'll see that. Read hyphen host. Enter the name. We'll execute this. Okay. Here we have to give the double quote. It is asking enter the name. We have to give some input. So it will be displayed. It will be displayed here, right? It is taking the input and displayed here. We'll make use of dollar and see a few more examples. Dollar name equal to read hyphen host. Enter your name. Then we'll use age. Read hyphen host. Enter your age. So first we'll run this. Enter your name. We run some random name and we'll run this second. Enter your age. We'll give some random age. Okay. So we'll just see that from the console. Name is ABC and it is stored in the variable, right? Age is 5. It is showing here, right? So we'll see the data type of name. For that, name dot we need to use get type, right? To see the data type. What is the data type of name? It is showing string. Okay, it's expected, right? So what is the ages? We have given the number, right? So expected is integer, right? Get expected data type is integer. We'll run that. See, it is showing string here. So this read hyphen host default, it will take string only. Okay. So in this situation, what we'll do, we'll use the typecasting, what we already discussed when we were discussing the data type. Typecasting is nothing but change the data type. Okay, so we'll use that. We'll give the integer here. Age is there, right? We'll give the integer. We'll change the data type. We'll run this again. Okay, so now we'll run this age dot get data type. Now it is expected. It should be integer, right? So it is showing the integer here. Okay, so that's it for now. We'll see you in the next session. Thank you.